Hello guys, good morning and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. This time from the seaside resort Tuzla. This will be a new for me. With this car I haven't driven on this way so far. It is a really crowded national road, and just a simple fact to enter on the lane, on the first lane, it's quite a challenge. Now we're in Tuzla. You can see the sea is on the left side. Right here we have a horse as well. And in front, the famous roundabout from Tuzla with an airplane in the middle of it. So basically this is the downtown of Tuzla. I will make the turn right here, because I am afraid that the next exit will be in like kilometers away, in Mangalia or something. And now we will get back to Eforie Sud. This bridge right here resembles a lot the one from Komarnik. Just this pass through, or beneath that bridge, where is a train, a railway. When I am in Komarnik, it reminds me of this place. And right here we're entering Eforie Sud. everybody is getting ready for the new summer season that starts next week on the 1st of May. So with 1 week before, everybody is fired up. It is a good thing, a very good thing. The sea awaits the tourists. In the morning it was a really dense fog, and right now it still is in the distant sea, but it's only 11:49, maybe until 1-2 p.m. The sun will make it all disappear. Let's admire the sea, despite the fact the sun or the lighting is not the best one. Right here it is it's still cold. You can see the sun is trying to get through the fog and the clouds up there, but it's mainly fog. But hopefully in, let's say, 1 hour, I'm pretty sure this whole place will be simply transformed. By the sun rays. I mean, it's so peaceful and quiet. It is amazing. can even catch some serious tan, but even up here and especially down there, the wind is still cold. I mean, it's still that harsh, let's say, spring breeze, and you can bathe in the sun only after the midday. But basically everything is prepared. And even in early May, you still have to be prepared with autumn or even winter clothes, especially in the morning. It's freezing cold right here. I will wait about 2 hours more, and hopefully that by that time it will be warmer, and for sure I will be going down to the beach. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish all the best. There is the sun, significantly brighter. May you find your inner peace, and I'll catch you in the next episodes. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.